Hello friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video, we have one very interesting question from algebra. We have one quadratic expression in LHS. We have a square root in RHS. We have to find all the real values of x. So let's get started. We have three numbers here, 12, 18 and 24. 12 can be written as 15 minus 3. Then we have minus x times 18 is there, which we will write 15 plus 3. We have minus x equal to the square root of 24 is there, which we will write 15 plus 9 minus x. Now we can take minus 1 common from this bracket, minus 1 common from this bracket. So we will write minus 1 times x minus 15 plus 3. Then minus 1 is common. We will write x minus 15 minus 3 equal to square root of 9 minus x minus 15. Now minus 1 times minus 1 will give us plus 1. We will write x minus 15 plus 3 times x minus 15 minus 3 equal to square root of 9 minus x minus 15. Now we have x minus 15, x minus 15, x minus 15. So let us consider x minus 15 equal to y. We will write our equation in variable y. Equation will be y plus 3 times y minus 3 equal to square root of 9 minus y. A plus b times a minus b is a square minus b square. So LHS will be y square minus 3 square, which is 9, equal to square root of 9 minus y. Now we have a square root in RHS. So we will consider squaring both sides. Power 2, power 2. Now we can cancel a square root with a square in RHS. So we have y square minus 9 whole square equal to 9 minus y. Let's write y square minus 9 whole square equal to 9 minus y. Now we'll be subtracting y square from both the sides. Minus y square minus y square. Now in LHS we have a square minus b square form. Here we'll apply a plus b times a minus b. So we can write y square minus 9 plus y times y square minus 9 minus y equal to, minus is common, we'll write y square plus y minus 9. Now we'll write all the terms to LHS. So we will write y square plus y minus 9 times y square minus y minus 9 plus y square plus y minus 9 equal to 0. Now y square plus y minus 9 is common. We will write y square plus y minus 9 common. In other bracket, we need to write y square minus y minus 9 plus 1 equal to 0. Or we can write y square plus y minus 9 times y square minus y minus 8 equal to 0. Now we are going to use product 0 rule. So we'll write two equations. Either y square plus y minus 9 equal to 0, or y square minus y minus 8 equal to 0. So let's begin with our first equation. We are going to use quadratic formula. So let me write here y will be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times ac over 2 times a. As per our equation, if we'll write values of ABC, a is 1, b is also 1, c is minus 9. Let's apply all the values here. We will get minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 9 divided by 2 times 1, which is 2. So we will write here minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 36 over 2. So from here we are getting two values of y, minus 1 plus minus square root 37 over 2. Now we have to solve second equation. Y square minus y minus 8 equal to 0. Let's write y square minus y minus 8 equal to 0. As per our equation, a is 1, b is minus 1, c is negative 8. We'll apply formula here. Y equal to minus b. So minus of minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square is b square. We'll write 1 minus 4 times 1 times minus 8 over 2 times 1, so 2, which will be equal to 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 32 over 2 will be equal to 1 plus minus square root of 33 over 2. So in total we have 4 y values. Let me write here y equal to minus 1 plus minus square root 37 over 2, 1 plus minus square root 33 over 2, or we can write y will be equal to minus 1 plus square root 37 over 2, first solution, minus 1 minus square root 37 over 2, second solution, 1 plus square root 33 over 2, third solution, and last fourth solution is 1 minus square root 33 over 2. Let's find the approximate values of all the 4 y values. So I will write here approximately equal to, first value will be 2.5 approximately. Second value will be minus 3.5. Third value would be approximately 3.4. And fourth value we can write minus 2.4 approximate. Now we will write our equation y plus 3 times y minus 3 equal to square root of 9 minus y. Let's find domain of the equation. We have a square root in RHS, so our LHS must be non-negative. Because of equality doesn't hold true, I will write this should be greater than 0. Now from RHS, radicand must be positive for real solutions. So we are going to get two inequalities, one from LHS, other from RHS. So y must be less than minus 3 or y must be greater than 3. This is from left hand side. And from right hand side, we will get y should be less than 9. Now we are going to consider intersection of these two conditions. and then we will take intersection of these two conditions. We will get, from first intersection, we will get y should be less than -3. And from second intersection, we will get y should be in the interval 3 and 9. Now these two conditions should satisfy our solutions. So on this ground, I can cancel first solution, it is not satisfying, and fourth condition. So we will accept these two y values. So -1 minus square root 37 over 2, 1 plus square root 33 over 2. Let me write here, y equal to -1 minus square root 37 over 2, 1 plus square root 33 over 2. Now y was our substitution, x minus 15. We'll write equal to -1 minus square root 37 over 2, 1 plus square root 33 over 2. Now we have to add 15 to both sides. We will get x equal to 15 plus -1 minus square root 37 over 2, 15 plus 1 plus square root 33 over 2. So we are going to get 30 minus 1, 29 minus square root 37 over 2, our first real solution. And second would be 30 plus 1, so 31 plus square root of 33 over 2. So we have two real solutions, and two solutions are extraneous solutions as we have taken squaring of the equation. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.